Here at Plus One Rentals, we are demonstrating the features of our portable hand truck heater. The hand truck heater comes equipped with a 20-pound propane tank, a wrench to help attach the tank tightly and securely, a grill lighter used to safely ignite the heater at its side, and a fire extinguisher attached to the back in case of emergency. Before lighting, it is important to make sure the propane tank is attached and open. It is also important before lighting to move your body completely behind the heater. The first step to igniting the heater is to put the lighter in between the heater and screen and light the flame. Once the flame is lit, press the purple button on the side for about 40 seconds to release the gas. When releasing the gas, you may hear a low trombone-like sound, but don't be alarmed, as it is just the air flowing through the heater. After the 40 seconds, slowly remove your finger from the purple gas release, and you will notice the ignited heater turn from blue to orange, indicating that your custom hand truck heater is fully lit. To then turn off the heater, you can close the propane tank or lean it back to move it, as it extinguishes itself as a safety feature. Plus One's custom hand truck heater is safe, mobile, and easy to use for any set or event.